Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to customize folder on Mac with Mac OS 26 or Mac OS Tahoe. I'm going to guide you through each and everything, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So guys, if you have installed Mac OS 26 or Mac OS Tahoe in your Mac, then customizing folder is way more easier now. Apart from changing color, you can also add icon or emojis to that folder. Now I do have one folder over here on my desktop. If I want to customize it, just simply select the folder, tap with two finger on the trackpad or right click on trackpad and select customize folder option. You do get some basic color options over here if you want to change the color. If I select red, the folder color will change to red, and as I said, you do get other color options as well. So suppose if I want to keep purple, I'm going to select purple and this is how it looks. If you don't want to keep any color to the folder, you can simply select remove all tag option and it will go back to the default color. For now, I'm going to select orange over here. So this is for changing color. Next thing is, if you want to add icon, then you do get multiple icons over here and they are divided in categories. So you do get people, animal and nature, food and drink. If you go down, there are multiple icons. Now suppose if you have a folder where you keep all your files or documents, then you can find a similar icon to that. In my case, suppose if I select this particular icon, after selecting the icon, you can see how it is engraved on the folder. Basically, it looks like it is engraved on the folder. So yeah, you can choose any particular icon and whichever icon you choose, it will be displayed over here. Now, if you don't want to keep icon, you can simply select clear option and the icon will be gone. Next thing is, if you don't want to keep any icon, but you want to use emoji, so you do get emoji option over here, and after selecting that, you will get a pop-up screen like this. Either you can choose any particular emoji like this, or you can search for any specific emoji. So in my case, if I go down, I'm going to choose this particular emoji, and as soon as I tap on it, you can see how it looks. So yeah, you can choose whichever emoji you want. If I want to choose this heart with fire emoji, this is how it will look. And again, if you don't want to add any icon or emoji, you can simply select clear option and it will be gone. Again, if you don't want any color, just simply select this remove all tag option and it will go back to default color. So this is how simple it is to customize folder in Mac after the update of Mac OS 26. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.